Okay, students, this is an example of how to construct a scatter plot and find the line of best fit for bivariate data, that is two variable data. And I'm using number 9 from your homework, an example similar to number 9 from your homework for this video. So as I showed you how to do last week, I'm copying the table from the homework problem and pasting it into an Excel document. Okay, so this problem has to do with the life expectancy and infant mortality rate in various countries. And we are looking for, first of all, a scatter plot to see if there's any kind of correlation between the two figures, life expectancy and infant mortality rate. Now, since we have to decide which of these variables is our explanatory variable and our response variable, I would think that the infant mortality rate might give us an indication of the life expectancy. In other words, if this is from some third world country where a lot of babies die at birth, probably the parents don't have very good care either, and so we'll more than likely want to put down the infant mortality rate as our explanatory variable, which will be on the horizontal axis, and life expectancy on the vertical axis. Now, there are a couple ways of doing that, but I think the easiest way is just to copy and paste, okay, and paste this column here so that the one that comes first will be on the horizontal axis on your graph and the one that comes second will be on your vertical axis. So now we're ready to do our graph. So we're going to select the data and the column titles. We'll do insert just like we've done before, and then this time we'll pick scatter plot, and there it is. Okay, so looking at this scatter plot, it looks like as the number of infant deaths increases, the life expectancy goes down. So we have a negative correlation, it looks like. Now we can put a line of best fit on here, get an equation, and then we can use that equation to make predictions. So the way we put the line of best fit on top of this graph is this. Excel does it all for you. I'm enlarging it. Okay, so we go to Layout, Trend Line. We're going to do a linear trend line, but we also want the equation of the trend line, and we want the R-squared value. So, more trend line options. We want the linear graph, we want the equation displayed on the chart and the R-squared value on the chart, and we pick close, and there it all is. This is the equation of our line that Excel just drew for us. It's the line of best fit. I'm trying to enlarge this and it won't let me. But at any rate, there you go. You have your line of best fit, and then the equation of your line of best fit, and then your R-squared value. And your R-squared value tells you how accurate this equation will be at predicting life expectancy based on the infant death rates in a certain country. And the closer it is to 1, the better it will make those predictions. Okay, so I hope this helps you. Please watch it before you start on your My Stats Lab homework, and then keep it in mind when you start working on your project, because you're going to have to do this as one step in your final project. Okay, y'all have a great week. Bye.